they got it up here to the perfect short area for us, didn't they? I mean, the big picture. It's just following the negative slope trend. We haven't done anything to get outside of that yet. And we're at the top of the range. If I ran that bot finder here, it'd just be sitting right here probably. So we're sitting at the top of the range. We're right at the 29.13. 39.13 is the perfect higher or lower high. It's just like coming up into here, right? So as far as that goes, we're set up for a nice short.
Order filled.
I got one out of the money strike there, right at 90. And then I sized down here a bit. So let's see what we get here. We get another bounce or not, or if this is a good place to add. We're just not quite there yet to get an add yet. So I'm just going to stick to the one strike. Come on, hit it now, get up there. Give me paid.
Order filled.
There we go. I just got paid. I got all out there, all out. I just got paid. Let's see if we can't pop to 90, get another good short on. How's that sound? Come on up there, baby.
Order filled.
All right, I got one a little bit further out of the money at the 9. And then I'm looking at getting right at 98, right at the, I mean, we're in the trigger range on both. I could pull the trigger on both of these right now if I wanted to, but I was hoping to get just a little bit more out of it and tap that sucker and I'll get that combo on. I mean, I was up probably $300 right there, but I've already got one of those $300 trades, you know. I'm looking for this next one. I want to see it break down. I'm in this to either get stopped out or to see it, you know, break down or pop up into 39 and let me get my ad, or break down and let me get my ad, either one. But I'm not selling right now for a, you know, a $200 win. You know, the 60-minute 9 is definitely my first target, but I've already, you know, I have discretion to target. So, and I've already, you know, got one win under. So what I'm looking at right here is we got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. I'm letting this 5-minute candle work for me. If this 5-minute candle breaks this and it closes under, I don't have to get out. There's no getting out. We're going lower. So, I mean, I've already decided I'm letting this 5-minute candle work for me. If it closes over it, I'm going to get out. And then even if it breaks it, then I've got a good short setup to get in afterwards. See there. So that 5-minute candle break in there just made that decision for me, right? I don't even have to make the decision. I do not have to sell this target now. I need to sell into strength into my target of 70 or 68. Got a minute and a half left here. See if we can break lows here. If we can't break lows, I'll sell it at the low here.